Poetry Part 3. I'm just moving myself up. Here we go. This is where you learn to make a claim, right? Another useful organizer for breaking poetry into type of writing is, I like acronyms when we're working at these kind of things. TP-CAStT. So you read the poem the first time, right? First time you read the poem. Think, what does the title lead you to expect about the poem? Think in terms of the star. When you think of a star, what could it possibly be leading to? You just think about all those things. Read the poem. P, paraphrase. TP, paraphrase. What literally is the poem saying? Write out each sentence of the poem in your own words. So if you're given a poem and you're given time to really analyze it, write out the poem. Sure, later on in the second semester, British literature, we're going to read the Rhyme of the Ancient Mariner, which is a very long poem. You won't have time to do that, but the parts that you're going to analyze, write down in your own words. Connotation, part cast, right? What could the words mean beyond the literal meanings? That's what poets are always looking to explore. What the words mean beyond literal meaning. Attitude or tone, what is the speaker's attitude toward the subject? Does it contribute to the meaning? Shifts, think back to the other worksheets that we did when we talked about shifts, work mouth, and juxtapositions. Not only identify them, but think about when we looked at the in sheets 1 and 2, and what are the effects in the poem. Once you've done that, read the poem now a second time. After you've read the poem a second time, revise your meaning of the title. You'll read the title again, maybe now after you've given it some thought, you've run through connotation, attitude shifts. Think about what the title might mean a second time. It might change, it might not. And then identify the theme. Don't try to identify the theme first. Plus, right? In the acronym, it's TP-CAStT, and then it's TP-CAStT plus. After you've done the TP-CAStT, explain with commentary how your ideas about each title, connotation, shifts, attitude, theme relate to and support your idea about the theme. All right. This is really the outline of a good poetry essay. Poetry analysis essay. That's what you're aiming at for in the second semester. So I want you to, underneath the dotted line, do a complete, you can copy and paste. That's fine, copy and paste, and then just delete the things you need. Copy and paste this table and complete a TP-CAStT plus for star. The poem that I read in the first video. This one here by Sarah Teasdale. Sarah Teasdale, who also wrote the poem we do in freshman year. Barter. See, I knew I'd remember it. Barter. Look it up. You'll remember it if you look it up. And just do that and hand that in. And then after these